So here I am with my friend from primary school, Ilham.
Hi guys.
She was my best friend in primary school, and she just came back from somewhere, from Maju. Yeah, so in the meantime we are just strolling around Old Town, taking some shots for Instagram. And
she's been showing me a lot of nice places actually.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited. So we are going to try sugarcane juice. She has never tried sugarcane juice.
I've never tried that.
So weird.
I don't have a.
You don't have a
sugar tooth.
Oh.
So
you don't have a sweet tooth.
Yeah.
Even I don't have a sweet tooth.
But today I'll have to give an exception for you.
Yeah. Come to Old Town without taking a photo there, haujakuwa Old Town or in Mombasa. This is someone's house. It looks like a castle.
Yeah. Right? Facing the
ocean. The ocean, yeah. The sea. Must be nice. Must be nice.
Yeah, waking up to that sound of the ocean every single
You're
morning.
sleeping to that, to the waves of the ocean, to the sound of the waves, and also waking up to the sound, same sound.
The other side is Nyali.
Yeah, English points. I don't know. So apparently they have changed the color of this wall, the one which Ilham is standing against. It used to be color orange, like that color, but now it's white. Wameharibu, wameban, wamechoma. Let me take a photo of this girl. This is one of the most Instagrammable spots in Old Town.
They ruined everything.
Yes, you can see. You see this part. Wait. Woo!
That's what. It's still beautiful, but
Tuna pointaje. But you can see like around that, yeah, this part, there was that color of paint around that thing. But now it is now all white. It is no longer an Instagrammable spot. But kama ushapiga picha hapa when it was, yeah, kuna bahati. Yeah, I have really nice photos from that place. I will insert them. Yeah, they were. Oh, so let us finish up with this. We go to the sugarcane joint.
yeah, let's refresh.
No sugarcane juice. You gonna sugarcane, ginger.
Do you think we're gonna add sugar again?
They don't add sugar. It is all natural.
Just wondering.
Yeah, so there is sugarcane, ginger, mint.
Yeah, I love mint.
Yeah, those three things I think.
Is it still up?
Yeah, it's even open right now. Yeah. Okay, I hope this does not turn into an Old Town tour, because I am planning a different video on that. You want a photo right here? It is one of the Instagrammable spots, this door.
Let's try.
Yeah.
At least I should be having one for you
So,
before they repaint it.
yeah. Okay, there's a lot of noise because they are along the road. And that's it, no sugar added, no what? No preservatives, just raw natural sugar. So this joint is right next to Barca. Barca is right there. So unavuka tu barabara and here you are. Mbona hujavaa mask? Uamini kuna corona? Jikinge. How does it taste?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Like, I was not expecting this kind of test. I don't know what I was expecting.
You're expecting it to be sugary.
Yeah, too much sugar. And it's not. It's okay actually. I can even recommend for people
who don't like sugar. Yeah. To me, I feel like it's okay, but
I feel like Mombasa, it's very hot.
Yeah.
You just feel refreshed.
Yeah. But I also feel like there's so much water.
But I did not see you putting any water.
The ice.
Oh yeah, the ice.
I don't get it. I don't feel the mint. Mint is
The ginger too.
let's get ginger.
Ginger don't for me.
Yeah. This is 50 bob.
Yeah.
Then there is one for 100 bob. So but I'm here for the collection. What are you eating? You're 50. Oh my god. This one. Hiyo ni ya 100. Your shirts, don't forget them. So I think we can go. I'm hoping to try out more joints offering sugarcane juice. I don't know, where should we go?
You want to take another
Another day I'll review. Yeah. But this one, I don't feel.
I'll just give it like 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. But you
I deserve 6 out of 10.
you can't compare something you haven't.
No, with my taste buds, I can't.
Oh yeah, the taste, yeah.
Like, it's not that. Yeah, it's not that good and it's not that bad.
Yeah.
But it's okay. 6.
It's
Deserve
okay.
6.
The reason I've gone there is because there's a time I took
The same place?
Yes, the same place. Sugarcane juice from the same place, and it was really good. I felt the ginger, the lemon, ilikuwa inapitia hapa.
Kijana anaona shy.
Nani?
Huyo kijana akachukua tu miwa hiyo
Yeah.
akatubebea tu akaenda hapo.
I feel so equal, by the way. I'd give it
My review,
a 4, honestly.
A 4?
Yeah.
I don't know. Then
Compared to the ones I've
take
tested.
more of it.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
later on.
Then what?
Later on maybe next up we reduce. Is it allowed to reduce
The rating?
Yeah, the rating. Maybe next time I'll have to reduce it.
Yeah, you can reduce.
But just 6 for starters.
Mambo? Papua? Huh? Nico!
She's very famous. Damascus girl.
Damascus guys.
And you Damascus girl. She's very famous in the people.
I'm sorry about the noise, the tuk-tuk, but yeah, those guys are Damascus guys. Hapo nyuma, the blue and white truck there.
Just subscribe, I'm a big fan.
Thank you. What was I saying? Yeah, we've tested enough. We have seen enough.
We still have our juice.
Yeah.
Almost finished.
So this was a juice video majorly actually, but you've seen parts of Old Town. Just a short vlog, a chilled out vlog. So we are now at the Oriental House building rather. There. So nimemleta huyu nimpige picha, and then we head home. Yeah. hope the light will be sufficient. Yeah, so I will see you next time. Please hit the subscribe button.
You should hit the subscribe button,
Like,
comment, and share, and tell a friend, tell the God's neighbor, tell everyone.
Yeah, and you'll be seeing a lot of Ilham in the days to come. Because to go Mombasa for good, you came in from Dubai.
Yeah.
Dubai. Yeah, so she'll be touring most of Mombasa.
Yeah, she'll be showing me around because I forgot most of it. But it's a little different. It's not like the way I left it.
Yeah. It's not even different. Oh, maybe the blue and white.
The blue and white was not there, so it's just confusing me. All the random houses I used to know, they all changed.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, I'll catch up because she's showing the best of Mombasa, so I'm not even worried.
Bye.
Bye.